Hello to all the dear student of Vedantu. How are you? I believe that you are doing great. Let me introduce myself. I am Ankita Shivere and I am from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Now coming to my educational background, so I completed my graduation in B.Ed in a current year. Coming to my working experience, so I have a 2-year experience in a St. Xavier Baglas School where I teach a mathematics for a student of grade 5 to 10. I have a 1-year experience with an academy where I taking a live session for a mathematics as well as computer programming. I have a 2-year experience with the Study Medha Academy, which is an YT channel. I uploaded the videos as well as I taking a live session. My motivation for being a teacher is coming somewhere from deep of my heart and soul. I love children and I am very much passionate to giving my knowledge to the other one. I love the look and the faces of the student when they are grasping the concept and they are trying to understand something and they are finally grasp the concept and finally they got a victory. So the Vedantu give me such wonderful opportunity to enhance or to giving my knowledge to the other one. So it's a golden opportunity for me to working with you. Subject that I taught in the today's demo session is a mathematics for a grade 7 to 8 and the topic that I teach is algebraic expression. So what is an algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is a combination of the variable, constant and operator. Here I write an example just like 4xy plus 7 in which what is variable, constant and operator? The question arises in your mind. So first of all we are discussing about what are they: variable, constant and the operator. So if I am talking about the variable, so variable as the name says they are vary. The values of the variable are change. So x comma y in this example are the variable. Just because the value of x is sometime 2, it's sometime 3, 4, 5 or 12 or 13, it may be vary. Fine. So the value of a variable is always being changed. Constant, that means the value are never being changed. Just like in an example, here the constant is 4 and 7. So the 4, 7 are my constant, the value that are never being changed. It's called a constant. And the operator are plus. Here the operator is plus. Operator may be plus, minus, division and multiplication. So it's an algebraic expression. If I am talking about the example, so here is 2 term. The terms are 2 in this example. Here is 1 term and the second term is 7. So the questions another question arises in your mind that what are the terms. So now we are talking about the term. So the terms are added to form an expression. When the expression is formed, the number of terms are used to form an expression. So I taken an example in which there are 3 terms. So the subtraction is separated these 2 terms and this addition is separated the 2 terms. So the number of terms in this example are 3. So the terms are 3. What was these terms? It is an 4p square q minus 3p q square and the 5. These are the 3 terms that we are used in our expression. So as you can see here how these terms are formed. Another question arises in our mind that how these terms are formed. The word factor, you already listen about the factor and the terms are made by the factor. So if I am talking about the 4p square q, what was the factor of 4p square q? There is an 4p, twice of p and q. These are the factor of 4p square q. So it's all about the factor. If I am talking about the number, that means 12. So what was the factor of 12? So if I am talking about the factor of 12, so what was it? We are dividing just by 2. So here I come 6, 2. Now another we are dividing the 2 by 6, that means there is an 3, 3 and 1. So the factor of 12 is 2, 2, 3. Now talking about the coefficient. So the word coefficient means it is a numerical factor in the term. So as we are talking about the term 4x square, let us assume and 4x square is an term. So what was the coefficient here? Here is an 4 is a coefficient, just because the numerical value is an coefficient. There are different type of an expression. There are different type of algebraic expression. So there are 4 different type of an algebraic expression. First is monomial. As a name say monomial, that means there is only one term. Second one is binomial. As the name say binomial, that means 2. There is a 2 term in an expression. Trinomial, that means there are the 3 terms in the expression, and the polynomial where the more than 3 terms we are used. So it's all about the basics of algebraic expression. I hope you like my video. Thank you for giving me such a wonderful opportunity.